First is painting white food coloring on the cookies before you bake them. When you take them out the oven, it's going to be all cracked, and then you could just decorate on top. Comes out so beautiful. I just love how it just gives it an extra textured layer to an already beautifully styled cookie. My top number 2 texture technique is flooding your cookie, letting it semi-dry, and then using the back of a paintbrush and smushing it all up, and it just makes the cookie just come to life. Definitely looks like an ice cream now. And number 3 is using different elements such as bubble wrap. I use very thick royal icing, laid it on some bubble wrap, let it fully dry, and then I'm able to peel it off of the bubble wrap when it's dry and add it to my cookie. It's gonna come out looking like this, and then I just like to add edible food coloring in the powdered form just to give it more dimension. And then it's ready for your cookie.